Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Blay pi baro kini kilom ki khubor bam da kasngi. Unong elam ke MDE2 Conrad Sangma ulabu khmat do ya ka lenti ki kampen roi hajilla ondalaya chaprang ka sarkar ha ki kam ki jam. Conrad Sangma uya thuru ka MDE2 kanele ban penbiang ki samla ha ka yo kam yo jam. Conrad Sangma uya thu ka thong jong u la da yo elam pura ka sarkar ukwa ban penbet yo uput usam badang sakun.
Today, what should drive us and push us is our sincere commitment towards the people and towards the state.
Mr. Conrad, what is your vision in the next 5 years for your coalition government?
So we have laid the foundation of governance in the last 5 years in the sectors that we felt was very, very crucial. And of course, we will take those steps forward. We have also realized and recognized that there is a great need to push certain sectors in order to ensure that we are able to create a large number of job opportunities. And hence that will be one of the top priorities for us in the next 5 years, whether it's the IT sector. In the last 5 years, we have managed to open up the 3,000-seater call center and BPO IT park. I intend that within this next 5 years that we should open more than at least 20,000 seats, if not more. We already have sanctioned for the last government 5,000 more seats. So I will push. I'm not saying we can do it, but it's my target and goal that we should, at the end of this term, we should have at least about 20,000-25,000 seats of BPO sector in our state. I want to push even the tourism sector a lot, because I strongly feel that tourism is one area we can really work on, and there are small ways in which we can create multiple avenues for livelihood, and that's what's going to be also a big focus for us. We feel value addition in agriculture is something that is very important, and if we do it the right way, we feel again a lot of opportunities can be created in those areas. Of course, we have a very strong sense towards our health sector and education sector, so we need to continue to strengthen that. These are very complicated sectors and require a lot of investment, and hence we'll work and focus on the social sectors very aggressively. And at the end, of course, the infrastructure sector, which is PHE, or the road sector, or the power sector, the IT sector. IT means in terms of submarine cables and the optical fibers I'm talking, and the towers. In that area, so the infrastructure in these areas will also be very important and crucial for us. We have done a lot in the last 5 years in terms of road connectivity and water connectivity. I hope we are able to saturate things in the next 5 years, where we are able to ensure that every household gets the water tap connection, and ensure that every village is connected in terms of road, and also every house is connected in terms of the power connections that are there. So all these goals and objectives are there. We will be working out the entire details of the economic program in the next few. Once that is done, the cabinet will meet and then we will decide. But of course, our objective will be to resolve the border issue within this 5 years. So not within this 5 years, I'm not saying 5 years, we'll try to do it even as early as possible.
So just adding on to what he asked, will your commitment still be for the long pending issues like the inclusion of Khasi languages as well as IIT?
Absolutely. These commitments will remain. These are commitments we have made in the past. The overall structure of the coalition has not changed in terms of the partners who are there, which I'm very happy, and I'm feeling very very nice that all our old friends are back, we're together, and as I said, many challenges were there, but we stuck together, and even the election was tough, but a lot of things were said, but we've put all of that behind and decided that in the interest of the state we work forward. So obviously all the issues that were taken up in the past will continue to push for those issues.
How will you term this? Old wine in new bottle or old wine in old bottle?
No, I don't think any of those terms fit into this the statement that you just made. It doesn't. It's just continuation. That's all. We're continuing the work, and that's the reason, as I said, that even though we had numbers, we still went ahead to invite them, because we feel that we should work with the same team. It may not be the structure, may not be completely same, because numbers have changed. But just because that has happened doesn't mean we just simply forget people who have always shown their commitment towards the people, and the comfort is there, and we would like to work together.